Welcome back to the Crypto Market Updates channel. I wasn't on yesterday, but I'm back today. And in today's video, I'm going to go over my reasons for why I think Meow coin is going to move in the next bull run, and you might consider investing, throwing a little bit of money into the project because it carries a possibility of making some extra cash while it's still relatively unknown. First of all, if you haven't checked out my other videos on Meow coin, then make sure to go over on the channel and have a look at those, because I do a pretty thorough presentation of the coin, as well as an interview with one of the co-founders, Andrew, who talks about what the coin is and what it does and why it's so fantastic. So make sure to smash up the likes on this video, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the other videos on the coin that I posted. Meow coin is a proof of work coin, a proper mining coin, not like some other coins that are out there and claim to be mining coins but actually aren't mining coins. And it's been launched a year ago, in 2023. This is the website, but I think it just celebrated, Meowcoin just celebrated its first year. I vaguely recall Andrew mentioning that the coin just passed its 1-year anniversary. So there you go. So what's been happening in the ecosystem since? Well, for some reason it won't let me side scroll the website, so let me take you over to the big screen. So the project runs on Cowpow. A block is mined every 60 seconds and the rewards are 3,000 Meow coins per block. It's 5,000 coins that are being mined. 2,000 of those are sent to the donation pool. Meow coin donates on a weekly basis. They make donations to animal shelters, and so far they've donated $33,000, which is fantastic. You don't see any other projects. There are no other projects that I know of that do this. The donations are done weekly. Right now, the coin, there are 2.6 billion coins mined so far out of a total supply of 21 billion. Mining hash rate stands at 57 gigahash. And the price for the coin is 0.0001 cents. Also, there's a bunch of coins that are being burned right now. 2 million coins have been burned so far, and the trading volume, as you can see, is very low, still very low. Looking over at their explorer, the coin circulation right now is 2.8 billion tokens. So 2.8 billion tokens have been mined so far. CoinGecko's data is a little bit out of date, so that needs to be updated. The market cap stands at $157,000, which is wrong because obviously this is based on a 1.5 billion coin supply, which is incorrect because the coin supply is 2.8 billion. So the actual trading volume, or rather the market cap, is $280,000 or so. Yeah, that's what it is. There you go. 286,000 market cap, which is minuscule, really. At a max supply of 21 billion tokens, this would put a total valuation of about $1 billion, which would put it, Meow coin, somewhere on place 20, 28, 29, somewhere around here for the overall valuation. So the trading volume on this, so the market cap on this coin is very low. It's still very low despite the fact that it is an amazing project, and the only reason why it is so low is because people simply don't know about it yet. If you go on a website, it lists the exchanges on which it's listed, and so one of the main ones is Trade Ogre, Zegger or Zegex, BitTorrent, Gravix, Stake Cube, and there are more coming soon. It's not listed on a lot of exchanges, and the reason why it isn't listed on a lot of exchanges is because it takes money. It takes a lot of money to list on exchanges, and the project is not throwing money away on getting listed on exchanges. The goal is for the project to donate the money charitable organizations, which is why they save up the money and do that. And since the trading volume and the market cap aren't that large, you know, the team is not actually making all that money off of this project. So it's not a pump and dump scheme. That's the first thing. This is a project with a solid foundation and, you know, a goal in mind. They're not just out to grab some money and run. Getting listed on exchanges is not easy. If you check out the interview with Andrew, he talks about the fact that, for example, Binance, you don't apply for being listed on Binance just due to the fact that Binance is such a behemoth of a crypto exchange, the largest exchange right now. You need to be invited, or Binance decides on who gets listed on Binance. And hopefully Binance will eventually look into Meowcoin and get it listed, because it's a fantastic project. CZ needs to step up, and maybe somebody needs to message CZ to get his butt going and get Meowcoin listed on Binance. In any case, like I said, the founders of the project are not throwing money away at expensive exchange listings. They're keeping the money to donate to the causes that they, you know, set out to support. The number of addresses is growing. Presently, there are 271,000 addresses on Meowcoin, and the average block spacing, if you see, it's one every minute, 1 minute or so. Coin burns occur on the network. Coin burns with fees are deducted from the calculated coin supply and usually compensated from the coin base. There is a bunch of unrecoverable burn coins that are not deducted from the calculated coin supply and not compensated for the coin base. So the overall coin supply is a diminishing one, which you know, the 21 million or the 21 billion coins will not actually be 21 billion at the end, because the supply is shrinking, which is a good thing, because in the end that will pump the overall price for the coin. Mining hash rate has been pretty stable overall. We've reached over close to 80 gigahash. It's dropped now. I think when the coin was initially launched, people were piling in because it was producing well, pretty good results, and the hash rate was low, so people were making some extra cash, and the price for the coin was a little bit higher as well. Right now hash rate dropped a little bit, but there is a very strong dedicated community of people who are supporting the coin and mining. And if you are interested in joining it, then head over to Discord, check out the website. You can go to the website, and there's mining and Discord. Get onto Discord, and there's a lot of help on how to get started with mining. You obviously need a GPU. It runs on Cowpow, so you will need a GPU to mine. The team is working on a new algorithm called Meowpow, so that should be coming out sometime soon. But in the meantime, there is Discord, and also if you are interested in making some free Meow coins, you can do that. I think the team sets up prowls, which are basically airdrops for completing tasks, and those are made available on the Discord channel. Basically what they are is the team posts some announcements, and prowlers basically go out and support the announcements and retweet them or share them with a wider audience, and you get donations, or you get drops, coin drops for those. So all you need is a Meow coin address. You can get those as well. There are a bunch of wallets that support Meow coin. I personally use the Core wallet, but there are a few other wallets. There's Meowcoin Core wallet, Beehive wallet, and Vidalum wallet. I think there's some other ones, but these are the three main ones. In any case, you can find out everything on Discord, so I strongly suggest that you head over to Discord and check that out. Also, read the white paper. It's not that complicated. It's pretty straightforward, and you should read it. So what are my reasons behind saying that Meow coin will pump, you might say. Well, let's have a look at Dogecoin, for example, a coin that essentially does nothing other than being pumped by Elon Musk. If it wasn't for Elon Musk, Dogecoin would be nowhere, okay? Dogecoin stands at 0.055 cents right now with a total supply of 141 billion tokens, and it continues minting because Dogecoin is minted on a regular basis, or mined rather, every day. There are more and more Dogecoins produced. It's got an unlimited supply, which is massive. So it's a surprise that it stands at 5 cents as it is, I think. And you know, I'm sure it's gonna have its heyday, but it does have a major supporter, which is Elon Musk, who may or may not release the payments on Twitter, on X, and we might see a pump. All-time high was 73 cents for Dogecoin. This was over 2 years ago, and that was right after the announcement that Elon Musk made that, you know, he's in love with Dogecoin. So so Dogecoin was at 0.002 cents for a long time before the bull run in 2021, when it pumped to 70 cents. So the pump on Doge, when that happened, Doge saw a massive pump of 23,000%, right? That was a 23,000%. I'm not sure that's going to happen on Meow coin, although it really should, but I don't think that's going to be the case. In any case, if Meow coin had a massive pump of 23,000%, we would see a $2.3 Meow coin, which is, you know, it's not going to happen, but it's nice to dream. Either way, Meow coin right now is available on the exchanges, which it can be acquired from pretty easily, and for a mere $300 you can get yourself a pretty nice bag of Meow coin. Basically, it will give you 3 million tokens, plus or minus, depending on the decimals that appear afterward. Let's say you get yourself a nice bag of 3 million Meow coin for about $300, and let's say that it goes up by a factor of 10, in which case it would be 0.001 USD. That would give you a solid $3,000. Now let's say it pulls something like Raven coin did in last bull market. Let's just have a look quickly. Raven USD. Raven was at 1 cent in January of 2021, and by the time the bull run was done, it was 1,300% up, and it was at 30 cents. So let's say Meow coin pulls something similar. Meow coin, let's say Meow coin has a mass run of 1,000x, which would bring it up to 10 cents. Yeah, so you have your bag of 3 million tokens, which you purchased for $300, and now Meow coin is 10 cents. That would give you a whopping 300,000. It's a nice number, and it isn't that far-fetched. The number of miners is slowly increasing, continuously increasing. The tokens, most of the miners are hodlers, myself including. Everybody's hodling, nobody's selling, simply because of the prices being so low for the tokens, for the coin. So the 2.8 million or billion tokens that are being mined right now, the majority of them is retained. None of them, that's why the trading volume is so low. Nobody's selling, everybody's hodling, and everybody's piling up more. And so once the bull market comes in, everything will pump, and Meow coin will pump, and we will see a sale of all the mined tokens, or all the mined, tokens. I keep calling it a token. It's a coin. All the mined coins that people have been hodling so far. I know for a fact that people are not only mining, but they're also purchasing tokens on the exchanges, because the prices are, well, they're pretty low. The price for one token right now, let's have a look in coin trade ogre. Meow coin right now for USD is 0.000105 cents. 370 volume is very low here. because, like I said, nobody's trading. Everybody's huddling. Yeah, the trading volume has gone down drastically. Nobody's trading the coin. Everybody's huddling. That's so crazy. So crazy. In addition to all of that, there is also Emporium. There is an NFT marketplace which is very easily accessible and can be minted. I will make a video on how to get started with Emporium and how to get things minted. I haven't minted, I haven't done anything yet, and no sales, but obviously it's a very cool feature. Everything's listed here. There is a native Meow coin, or there is a native coin for the Meowporium as well. So having said all that, there is a good solid group of people that I know, I speak to every day. The founders are accessible. It's a proof of work coin, and it has a very low market cap right now, which means it's got a lot of potential to grow, and it does what it sets out to do, which is provide support to animal shelters with weekly donations, meaning that it has a trusted team of developers working on the projects, delivering the message that they set out to deliver. I can see this coin going way beyond the 280,000 market cap valuation that it's at right now. Where will it go? I have no idea. Nobody can tell, but it certainly will go up a lot higher than where it's right now. And for the price that it's at right now, it's a steal. That's it. That concludes my opinion on Meow coin. If this was educational, if you enjoyed this, then make sure to smash up the like, subscribe to the channel, and of course get over to the Discord on Meow coin, get involved with the community. If you have a GPU or 100, then get cracking. What are you waiting for? Start mining. Start making yourself some Meow coin, and looking forward to the bull run. I'll see you in the next video.